Good job, sixth grade. We made it through our first week. Thank you for being patient with the online platform. It's been a lot of work, but we had a successful first week. I've got almost everybody participating. I think we have 22 out of the 26 students online and handed in at least one assignment. So it's working. Try to keep up with the assignments as best as you can. Remember the district standards. You work 1 hour each day for each subject, and you hand in one assignment per week. On my online platform, I do have more. I do have the whole curriculum on there, and you may do the whole thing, and I will grade the whole thing. But if you are struggling with the online platform, shoot for one assignment per week per subject, and you'll be okay. I do take attendance. I take attendance through Zoom meetings, and I also take attendance if you've handed in work. So even if you don't attend Zoom meetings, but you hand in work, that's still counted as attendance. If I don't hear from you at all, then I'll probably be trying to contact your parents. Right now, we're pretty good. There's only one student I'm trying to find out information. I don't know where they are. Other than that, you've all pretty much are participating in one form or another. I would like you to take the survey today. The sooner the better. It's over on the left hand side right by the announcements, right above the Zoom meeting link. I just put it on there. Click the survey. It's 7 or 8 questions, and then that will help me formulate next week's lessons and assignments. I want to make this as easy as possible for you, but I also want to teach you the curriculum. I want this to be worthwhile, and I want it to be fun, at least have so you can have a little bit of a social platform, so you can visit your friends during the week. So we will continue lunch on Thursdays, and I will try to come up with a game every morning before we get into the curriculum. Monday we'll have our Zoom meeting at 9 a.m. and I will go over the week's work and hopefully have a good weekend and everybody stays healthy. Thanks again for all your hard work.